All right, so here you are given that the RSTU is similar to ABCD. You're trying to find the ratio of the perimeter. So the ratio of the perimeter is, it has to be one of the perimeters over the other perimeter. To make my life easier, I'm going to treat one as the new, which one's the old. All right, so the new one is on top divided by the old one. That's good to do because that allows us to basically set it equaling to the scale factor. This is the definition. Okay, the K, which is the scale factor, is equal the perimeter new divided by the perimeter old. This is just a property that you just have to remember. All right, then you just plug it in. The old perimeter, right, is basically just the scale factor. So if we just get the scale factor, new over old, the new length of the BC, which is 8, divided by ST, which is 12, simplifies to 2 over 3. That is the scale factor. That's how you go from the RSTU into ABCD. The scale factor is 2/3, right? You get smaller. Did you know that scale factor is also the perimeter ratio as well? So perimeter of the new over old is 2 over 3. Okay, it's a straightforward ratio. This definition has to be known right here, that the perimeter new over perimeter old is technically equaling the K, the scale factor.